please go to the bathroom? Go ahead, but be quick. Now I am going to pull the fire alarm when there is no fire as a joke. Ha ha! It looks like we are having a fire drill. Let's leave the school building. I need Simon Smith in my office right away. Simon, a security camera showed you pulling the school fire alarm when there was no fire. Why did you do that? I did it as a joke. Simon, it is not funny. We only take fire alarms and fire drills seriously. Only pull the fire alarm when there is no fire. A fire, not for jokes. I am calling your parents and you're expelled from school for the rest of your life. Now go. Now I'm gonna send an email to Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Dear Mrs. and Mr. and Mrs. Smith, I need you both right away. I have caught your son, or a 13-year-old boy named Simon Smith, pulling down the school fire alarm when there was no fire. He did this as a joke. Oh, please punish him. Bye, Miss Maria. There, I sent the email. Simon, we have received an email from Principal Maria saying that you pulled the school fire alarm when there was no fire. I only did it as a prank. Not a very funny prank. You can go to jail for committing an offense like this. Even if you still did it on accident, you would still get arrested for that. You are grounded for 14 months. Now go to bed and think about what you did to your school and the fire department.